Ki khubor ka Batesi TV.
Ka umdi basnyam bat penjasliang. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Sophistication meets style. The stylish trendsetter Tata Curve SUV is in town. India's first coupe SUV is now in Shillong.
Menteri katanan jengok kai perthai uba polling do haka apply trik mai wien agajar opsau ulai thu ba usimbut menteri rangba kajala uba khami iktanat menraisar uba asnyau balang dhar shen unsakhot ikachingalang ban snow ban snam ikaching e ikibami nakajin tarwa ban penkavya ikinongdie Madan haka than kendailan haka jing kran de gila pthai khubor uba polling do ulaong ba usimbut menteri rangba unsakhot ikachingalang ban yatheria tai ikaching e la Kumno hakatayo bansawan pabasa kami binya Kumno ki kam kilayat shakhman nadu bala pelong ya kajingalang ka baladap hak arpu artarik naiwing ahajar apsaw Nongdie Madan harut surong kila torban pelong na kajing ki akhmat ka office Shillong municipal board man persya ikajing terwa penkanzya iki nakathai mat pran bat nakhandailan ula buru kajing kali Nongdie Madan Kumno kin ong ba kimdan jing tip AA ban penkarya iki habah komiti belathar sarkar ru lakan thup lang Nongïalam nong seng Nongdie Madan.
See, you will recall that a number of meetings have been held at the instance of the Deputy CM in charge Urban Affairs, and a committee was also constituted last year, which also comprises of representatives from the vendors associations. Now it's surprising to say that they were not consulted, because those meetings were all recorded and they took more than a year, in fact, to complete the entire exercise. So it is baseless to say that they were not consulted. However, I would suggest that you also speak to the Deputy CM in charge Urban Affairs, because the matter is entirely with Urban Affairs, and the Tourism Department only wanted to give an uplift, a facelift rather, to the Kandailat stretch by making it pedestrian free, tourist friendly, and have a busking zone in order for us to celebrate the fact that Shillong has seen the best possible days in terms of the music scene, and for the rest of the world to see that. See, the process of identification was done by the Shillong Municipality Board. It was a very transparent process, and the CEO and other officials like Madan were all involved in those negotiations and discussions. But as I said, you can get the details from Urban Affairs Department, from the Minister in charge, as well as the CEO of the SMB. At the official meetings, both the CEO and Madan were present in those meetings. The latest was 2 weeks back at the chamber of the Deputy CM in charge Urban Affairs. I am not aware of any extension, because the deadline was indicated to us at the meeting by the Commissioner and Secretary Urban Affairs, Dr. Vijay Kumar. I think we have to meet, let Deputy CM convene, and we take stock of the situation after tomorrow. Probably sometime next week, we should be in a position to sit for a review of how things have shaped up since the last meeting.